Alrighty. That is my grandmother. I'm going to go get in the seat she took away from me. So, how you guys like doing? Like, I'm new to this YouTube thing and I'm just like embracing it. It's kind of like weird at first, like talking to yourself in the camera and like having people around you like looking at you like bitch, what you doing? But in any event, this is me. I want to start a vlog. I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. So how cool is that? So this is my phone. I did my makeup today and I did it for no reason, y'all. Like, I didn't even think about recording this video now. I just started, like literally I just started recording. If y'all see me looking around, I'm looking around for bugs, honey, because I'm ready to kill them. I hate bugs. Hate them. I hate them. I hate them. So yeah. Comment some video ideas that you guys want to see me do. You all don't even know me. So y'all like, what you got to bring to the table? I got some ideas. I really got some ideas. I know y'all looking at me and y'all like, why don't you do a makeup tutorial? And I'm just, I don't know. I'm not really into makeup like how I used to be, but I could do one. Like, I really do one if y'all really want me to do one, but I'll have to wait till I get to school so I can have like a little setup. Here at home, I don't have a setup. I'm a college student, so it will be some college vlogs. Yes, honey. This is a summer little thing I got going on. So yeah. This is me. I'm holding my phone with my hand. I don't know why I just turned it. Maybe I should have turned the whole time. Maybe I just messed up the video. Let me turn it back. I don't know. How should I have it? I don't know. Should I have it the other way? Oh my god, I don't know. On my way to the eye doctor. Not as dolled up as I was yesterday. I'm about to get some contacts. We'll see what color I'm gonna get. And I need some glasses as well too. So yeah, about to walk in. There's no one in here, surprisingly. Alright, talk to you guys later. Do not say hey to my vlog, but you can't do it with your bonnet on.
Hello.
Bye-bye.
I'm not going on the porch.
Currently sitting on the porch. I went to the eye doctor earlier and took your bonnet off, I see.
Like Dominique.
But I went to the eye doctor earlier and they told me that I couldn't get contacts. Well, they didn't say that. They said I could get color contacts because I got astigmatism. So I was pretty upset about that. And I don't want the regular contacts.
Sure, I don't think they'll be able to hear you because of cars.
Probably. Let me speak louder. I'm on the porch. And so, and then I went back up there. I'm like, oh yeah, let me get my prescription. And so they're like, oh, you can't get your prescription for contact because you gotta purchase them from us first. And then so they wanted $60 a box. I'm like, dang. They usually charge 20 and 10 for non-colored for clear, and then.
Oh my lord.
And then they charge 20 for colored contacts with a medical card. So now I have to think about what I want to do because I do want contacts, but I did purchase some glasses, so I did get my glasses prescription. And yeah, pretty upset about that. So I'm thinking like let me get my contacts from them and then take my prescription and take it elsewhere. Just to have some
Melvin.
clear ones, I guess.
Melvin.
My edges are camera.
Huh? My mama said she's gonna pay for our Robux, please. No, put me on here. You did have me speak before, but I'm saying, what is your name on YouTube? Stop vlogging me. What's your name on YouTube?
No, I haven't thought of one yet. By the time I edit this, it will be a name. I'm not sure. I'm really trying to come up with a clever, professional one in a way. I don't know. It might just be luxury. Who knows?
Nah, that's too basic.
That's not basic if I spell it with my middle name.
Yeah, no, yeah, do the trail.
No.
You don't want it to be the trail. No, I don't like it. I don't want to be on there. Because I look ugly right now. Wait, I look beautiful.
Whoa, shade. Shade.
Nothing. I always look beautiful.
The shade.
I look like you. So what are you talking about?
The shade. The shade.
Yes, I
What's up, people? So in this clip, it's Friday, and in this clip, I talked about my trip to the dentist. I got kind of some bad news in a way. I gotta get my wisdom teeth taken out. It's a good thing too because I'm in a lot of pain, so I'd rather not have them in. So yeah, this is one of my failed clips. Obviously, I'm doing it a voiceover, so it's not that good of a clip. And you can barely hear me. This is one of the many clips that I have that are failed. I just did not add them in. I felt no need to. So that's basically all that was talked about in this clip. Hello, Portillo's. Micah, this my auntie, and my mama go to Portillo's. I haven't had that since I've been here. With Chicago, you know, if you're not from Chicago, sad. But, come check it out. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Wait, what is going on? What? My auntie just left anyway. Okay, there you go. I didn't know what was happening for a second. Okay. Yeah, we're on our way to Portillo's. I told you I would convince her. I got that good convincing. Okay, literally what is happening right now? I don't know if she hears it ringing or does she know that it's ringing inside the car. She's looking over here. I can't really see. As you guys know, I had to go to the eye doctor yesterday. Epic fail. But yeah, okay. What y'all up to? We're currently sitting in my auntie's car. And we're at Subway because my little cousin doesn't eat. I don't know. I guess she just wanted Subway, so we're gonna stop and get her a Subway. Then we're gonna go get our Portillo's. I'm thinking about getting a milkshake. I might not because when I get the milk and I get the cheese, sometimes it don't be mixing right. But I think I'm gonna get it anyway. You know those like lactose intolerant gang who out there lactose intolerant? Cause we together. We're together. We're in this. So. So you have to go get an Italian beef. If you're not from Chicago, I highly doubt that you're gonna know what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna get Italian beef, peppers, maybe a medium fry with a medium milkshake, some nacho cheese on the side. Sounds good. I don't know. I might get a small fry. I don't know. Yeah, I'm so excited for this weekend. I'm going to Pride, like I said earlier, and I'm going to this fest tomorrow. I'm going to record. You know, this is my first vlog, and I feel like I picked a good weekend to start. I should have really started on my birthday weekend, but it's okay. Because I had, like, it was epic. It was an epic weekend. We did a lot of things. So yeah, I just up and just started recording. Like, it's so weird. I just up and was like, let me start recording on my phone. So that's what I did. Because I was like, how am I gonna have all that space on my phone? But then I forgot that I had an iPad. So after I record the videos, on my phone, then I transfer it to my iPad, and then I have iMovie on there. So it's not that hard. And I've always been the person that liked editing and liked editing. I liked editing, and I liked making, like, designing pictures and designing videos. So I've always been good on that.
Hi, everybody. I'm so excited for this, y'all. Like, I can't just start making videos as soon as I get to school too. Yes, it's really gonna be lit. Can you say lit? I don't think you can say lit. I can say lit. But it's kind of hard, like, some people don't understand, like, recording yourself and putting it on YouTube. Like, I'm putting the whole world, like, anybody in the world can watch me. Like, you're bold enough. Like, I really give it up to, like, YouTubers and people that I watch, because you are literally putting yourself on the website and people can watch you. And I know people bash people, but I ain't worried about no negative comments. I probably get my feelings a little bit, but yeah, it's like whatever, because people always gonna have something to say, so it don't matter. Don't really even matter. Not even worried about it. Well, I don't know what to expect, really. I'm not gonna say I'm not worried about it, but I really don't know what to expect. I mean, I do like talking. Like, I do like talking. I could talk a lot, but on that subject. So that's why I really make this YouTube too, because I can talk. I like to, inspire people and motivate people to do things that they want to do and to be better. And I can really talk someone's ear off, literally. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my food though later. So talk to you guys later.
How much? How much is the beef by itself? One beef. Okay. Great people, Latrell. That's what the sign say. You gonna go down there and post some concrete?
Then you'll have. Yeah, on our way to the food truck fest. This Saturday. The 24th, maybe. I don't know what today is. There's probably a lot of noise. There's a lot of trucks and stuff out here. We just parked like 2 blocks away, so we're doing a lot of walking. I'm used to walking. They're not used to walking. I walk all the time. We're on 16th and State Street, downtown. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm gonna show y'all what food I get. So another part of my fail, but I did get my food off of this truck, and I got some ice cream off another truck. I will have them listed, but I Snapchatted the pictures, but I forgot to save them to my phone, so that's my bad. Hey y'all, I got cold, so I put on my jacket. Maybe because I just got done eating ice cream. Oh, my grandma. I stopped her off to the bathroom, and now it's almost getting ready to leave. We're in the car, I'm gonna get my friend. This is Deja. She driving. She needs to focus, so she's gonna focus. We on 69th and Paxton.
Just keep going straight towards.
But this is 69th, so if she go up, she gonna be on 70th.
See? Bitch, you sending me a loop.
Danger is angry.
What? You just told me to go to 69th Arcade.
Okay, we gonna meet you on 69th and Stony. I'm finna get us there. Bruh, ignore,
Get off
bruh.
wherever y'all at.
They already off. They been sitting there.
Where is y'all at?
Okay, go that way. I ain't about to play with y'all. Okay, sitting us off. We ain't paying no
You
attention.
gotta stop saying that.
I'm so groovy. Hey, I got power.
Where I'm going.
Keeping straight to that busy street. Yes, we on 70th, but we finna go to 69th for Stony.
What?
We're on 70th, but we on 70th in Oglesby. We going to the main street. So huh?
They high.
No, you high.
I wish I can't wait to get home and feel drunk. I swear to God.
Okay, now you go that way.
Right?
What? Which way Stony is? Okay.
That way.
Huh?
Stony is that way, bro.
Which way is y'all talking about?
Cause we
In
on
the park, and
exchange.
y'all gonna have to get to me. Cause what the fuck?
Okay, send me your location on Canary phone.
Oglesby is by Yates though.
G.
So we making
Bring
a right
it.
or a left.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know you gotta go this way, cause if we go that way, we gonna be back on the highway.
Go to 67.
67 and what? Try to make it right.
What?
Wait, yeah, no, yeah.
67 is the main street.
Stony is this way, bro.
But we on 71st.
They should have just let me go my way. Cause now what the fuck?
I should have stayed on bus.
Y'all funny.
Half the way you gotta hold.
Cause me and this bitch don't do it right.
But tell you just a fucking giggling, and I just had a rough ass day.
I'm sorry. We're at Pray. That's staging back there.
What you doing?
Okay. I'm recording.
How?
On my phone.
Oh.
Regular.
Oh.
Nothing on Snapchat. Nope. Yeah, everyone is basically in a restaurant. We're outside.
Somebody flipagram?
Sure.
We'll be home safe.
Wait, we not going home.
Right.
What's she talking about? We just going evil spiritual things. So y'all, she just almost said that. So we had to get off the train. We're not even supposed to be getting off the train this early. Yes, like she had to get off the train. So now we're on our way to Buffalo Wild Wings. Well, you guys, this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on my social media accounts. Bye.